Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's winter in America and I needed to get out of the cold. So I am back in Jamaica, my favorite spot. Happy 2026 again, everybody. So this is Noisy River. This is Noisy River. It's in St. Elizabeth and it's quiet now because it's during the week, but on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, it's packed and very festive. So over here is where they would have the selling the food and drinks, and then you would come and cool off in the water. Yeah, so lovely spot, nice and quiet on the back roads in Senti. On the way to this is heading to Balaclava. Yeah, so to Balaclava, and the river runs, it runs all the way down. So there are all different spots that you can just come and relax and listen to that water. You can go sit and let the water beat your back and suck out all your pain, all your aches and pains. I'm gonna suck out the cold out of my body right now. But yes, this is a nice spot, guys, and it's quiet and peaceful, and you can always bring your food to eat if you're coming during the week when the vendors aren't here, because again, this is a quiet off the beaten path spot. Yep, and you see Melissa happened, so over here they still need to clean up and have it looking a little bit more presentable, but it is definitely a nice spot. Listen to that. Oh my God. Just listen. That is awesome. And you have a lot of these places, these little off the beaten path places in Jamaica that you can come and enjoy and see it run all the way down. Run all the way down, and it just keeps going. It's the gift that keeps on giving. See, and it's nice and quiet. Nice, quiet spot. Just needs to be cleaned up, like I said, a little bit more since Hurricane Melissa. It just needs to be spruced up. But yeah, you have mango trees, so you know in the season you'll have free mangoes. There's almond tree, so in the season you'll have almond you can eat. Yeah, and when all those trees are back up nice and green, and Mother Nature takes care of all of that, you know, around here will be nice and cool. And here's another spot where they would have food. You could get your chicken and your drinks and your festival when you come on the weekends. Yeah, see, there they have everything set up here when they're cooking their meals, so you can come and get something to eat, something to drink. Yep, and then just enjoy the day. Yep, so I'm gonna go in the water, sup out all my aches and pains and sup out the cold, and just have a good time. It's a nice little vibe. Yep, this is in St. Elizabeth. A lot of spots in St. Elizabeth. A lot of rivers and falls. St. Elizabeth is the place to be, even though they're the ones that, one of the parishes that got hit really hard with Hurricane Melissa. But St. Elizabeth is definitely the place to be. St. Elizabeth is my place. All right, so I'm gonna go enjoy my day. Hope you guys are having a good day wherever you are, wherever you're watching this from. And stay blessed. Bye-bye.